It's a good morning, and look, we've got two gigantic Canadian geese on our pond. I can't see very good because the sun is really bright out here, but I think I got them where y'all can see them. There they are. I think I see them now. Isn't that cool? Those are just wild Canadian geese. They come and join your pond for a little while. Get them a drink and rest, I guess. Aren't they beautiful? And the best thing is, we've got him trained enough now where he doesn't think he has to chase them, because his lead is pretty long. He's on a lead because I don't want him near my chickens. But he just comes out here a few times a day. We are going to build him a fence now. But anyways, I thought I'd take you guys along and let you see me do the chores this morning, because the chickens are doing so good. And we've had tons of rain and thunderstorms and all kinds of stuff going on. I always go over here and peek first. Make sure their door... Oh, nobody's come out this morning. That's not normal. Why have none of them come out? That's not good. Let me go check and see what's going on in here. Okay, so I think we're... Oh, I'm going to go open their vent door because today's a beautiful day. Get back, sweeties. Get back for a minute. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open this vent door so they can get some air today. I put this little thing right here in front of their vent door so they don't... Because now they're big enough, they'll close it on me. And if you don't come out here before dark and close that door, they like to roost up there. There's a roosting thing that we made for them, but they'll roost up there, and then I have to try to get them down so I can close the door at night. So I don't leave that door open. I don't want to take a chance of something getting in here. And most dogs can dig their way through chicken wire. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and get these little guys fed and watered, because I give them clean water every day and get them fed. So I'm going to do that real quick. So guess what chores I don't have to do this morning, thanks to Mother Nature and all the rain. I don't have to water my garden today. Y'all, look at the chickens in the compost pile. They love that compost pile. And of course we just started it, so there's not much in it right now, but I've been throwing, like, we try to eat a lot of farm fresh food. So like when I make corn, I just take it off the cob and fix it that way instead of using the canned corn. So they get that kind of stuff in there. They love it. I don't know if it has bugs in it yet or worms, but they love it. Anyway, plants are doing really good. The weather took its toll on this. We're guessing a gopher hole's underneath there, so we're going to get a high lift jack and lift that back up and put a board under it. But everything's doing really good. The onions are probably a week and a half old, and man, they're really coming up good. And I'm excited because I'm wanting to dice those and freeze them for this winter, or for whenever. But yeah, so, but see how big the chicken yard is? I don't know if you can see because the sun is blinding me right now. But the chickens are loving it, and they used to only would get about 6 feet from their little door over there, and now they get way out. But if they hear any kind of noise, they run back in the chicken house, which I'm really glad about because I don't want them out here and worrying about something getting them. So we have my son lives right there, and he has a dog over there that barks at every bird that flies around, and he hangs out up here most of the day. So he's been barking at any birds that fly over. So far it's been good. We've not had any issues. Anyways, I am really happy that you guys came along and joined me and helped me do the chores this morning. We didn't have a lot to do today. About every other day I have to fill up the big chickens feeder, and I get them fresh water every other day just because their water is so much bigger and just harder to do. So I do it every other day for them. So today I didn't have to do it because I did it yesterday, and that's why they still had so much. Now this summer it'll be a daily thing with water because for obvious reasons, they're going to drink more, and they're also going to be bigger. And so we'll be adding a second and a third 5-gallon water out there for them because in Oklahoma, the summers are extremely hot and can get very dry toward the end of summer for about 2 months. So that'll kind of change then. And of course, I'll have to water my garden probably probably 3 times a day, I'm guessing. And I'm even thinking about putting some kind of a 40% canopy over my garden because that's a problem I always have is they burn up in the summer heat. So we'll see how that goes though. Maybe if I can stay on top of the watering and doing it 3 or 4 times a day, that won't be an issue. Well guys, I'm done. I'm going to go in the house. I've got cinnamon rolls in the oven that I made. I make homemade cinnamon rolls. They're really good. And I put some of those in the oven. So I'm going to go eat breakfast, finish my coffee. And I really appreciate everyone helping me today do my chores. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.